Have you ever felt stuck when trying to speak English? You know the words. You know the sentence in your mind. But when you open your mouth, everything freezes. You're not alone. This happens to millions of learners. The truth is simple. Learning grammar is one skill. But training your mouth to speak English naturally is a completely different skill. And today, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step journey using the power of graded readers to boost your fluency, confidence, and smooth speaking. Stay with me till the end, because what you learn today can truly change the way you speak English. Welcome to this lesson on training your mouth to speak English. If you've been studying English for years, but still freeze when it's time to speak, then you're watching the right video. The secret is not just studying. It's building small habits that make your mouth, tongue, and even your brain comfortable with English sounds. Think about riding a bicycle. You didn't become good by reading a book about balance. You became good by actually riding it, again and again, until your body learned the movement. Speaking English works the same way. Reading, writing, memorizing, all of these help, but if you don't train your mouth daily, fluency will always feel difficult. And that's where graded readers come in. These are specially made books with clear, simple language that slowly increases in level. Reading them aloud can unlock fluency in a way that normal studying never can. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use graded readers to train your speaking muscles and build real fluency. Fluency isn't just vocabulary or grammar. Imagine you know the word opportunity, but when you try to say it, your tongue doesn't move correctly. You feel embarrassed. That's because your mouth isn't used to English movement yet. Every language uses different face muscles. If English isn't your first language, your tongue, lips, and breathing are shaped by your mother tongue. That's why you understand English perfectly but still struggle to speak smoothly. The solution is simple: daily mouth training. Just like athletes warm up before a match, you must warm up your speaking muscles. Reading aloud, repeating phrases, practicing rhythm and intonation, these are the exercises that create fluency. And remember, the goal is not speed. The goal is clear, confident speaking. Fluency grows naturally when your mouth becomes familiar with English patterns. Now, let's talk about graded readers. These books are created specially for learners, from beginner to advanced. The sentences are short, the words are useful, and the stories are interesting. They are called graded because the difficulty increases step by step, so you grow without stress. Why are graded readers so effective? Because they give you simple but useful vocabulary, repetition of patterns, natural rhythm, confidence through easy progress. Finishing one English book feels amazing, it motivates you to continue. So how do you use them? Choose a level slightly below your maximum. If you understand around 90% of the text, that's perfect. Read aloud slowly, focus on clear mouth movement, not speed. Repeat sentences 2 or 3 times. Feel how your tongue moves with each sound. After reading a chapter, close the book and retell the story in your own words. Don't worry about mistakes, the goal is to keep speaking without freezing. When you train your mouth through graded readers, you're not only reading, you're building muscle memory for fluency. Now let's get practical. Here are daily exercises to train your mouth and improve fluency. 1. The 5-minute warm-up. Read a short passage aloud. Open your lips, move your tongue, exaggerate sounds. This wakes your speaking muscles. 2. Shadowing. Play an audiobook or simple English audio. Speak at the same time as the speaker. Copy their tone, rhythm, and speed. 3. Phrase repetition. Choose 5 useful phrases like, "How are you today?" "That sounds great." Repeat each one 10 times with different speeds and emotions. 4. Retelling. After reading a chapter, close the book and retell it naturally. 5. Record and review. Record yourself once a week. Listen. Do you sound clear? Too fast? Too flat? This helps you improve. These exercises look simple, but if you practice them consistently, your fluency will grow faster than you expect. Extra tips to stay motivated. Set small goals. Label objects around you in English. Don't fear mistakes. Celebrate small wins. Mix listening and speaking. Repeat sentences you hear in stories. Remember the golden rule. Fluency is built daily, not instantly. If you use graded readers for even 15 minutes a day, you will see huge changes in 3 to 6 months. Fluency is not about what's inside your head, it's about what comes out of your mouth. If you study vocabulary and grammar but never speak, your knowledge stays locked inside. But if you train your mouth every day, your English will start to flow naturally. Graded readers are your secret tool. They're simple, powerful, and designed to help you succeed. By reading aloud, repeating phrases, shadowing, and retelling stories, you're not just studying. You're turning your mouth into an English-speaking machine. Imagine 6 months from now. You speak clearly. No fear. No hesitation. Just smooth, confident English. That can be your reality if you start today. If you found this helpful, like the video and share it with a friend. And don't forget to subscribe to learn Smarty for more lessons to help you train your mouth and speak English confidently. Your fluency journey starts now. One book, one sentence, one day at a time.